Hey folks, the objective for the video today is to show you exactly how to get a screen record so that you can share information with me about a potential strategy, indicator, or show me that you want me to create. So if you have some idea that you need to convey to me, the best way is to go to TradingView. You can get a free account, go to TradingView, you sign in. Once you sign in, go to search. You can search for whatever ticker, whatever symbol you're looking for. Once you have it pulled up, now simply use just a few tools. You can narrate for sure. I'd love for you to do that, but you need to go up here to publish, click record video idea, and then it'll give you a short intro to video publishing. Continue publishing. You'll choose which tab of your browser you want to select, or if you want to choose the whole window, or if you want to do an entire screen like a desktop. We're just going to do the Chrome tab, share it, and now you see we have a countdown to recording. We're now recording. So voice is recording as well as my screen. So I can have text. I can go and add my trend lines. And of course, while you're adding these things, you want to be telling me what you're looking for or what we need to do. Okay, and then there's a rectangle. All right, add your text in there, but by all means, definitely narrating. So that's pretty much how you complete it. You'll hit stop recording. Share it. Now you see we have a countdown. Recording. We're now recording. So voice is recording as well. Okay, so you see how that works. Now, at some point when this is done processing, you can continue to publishing, or you can download it. So if I click download, it's going to download it to my desktop, and then you can just share it directly with me, or you can go to continue to publishing. You can type something in there, hit continue, and then you can make it either public or private. If you only want to share it with me or with whoever you're trying to share it with, just go to private. And that way, when you publish the private idea, again, it'll be associated with your username and your account. Countdown to recording. We're now recording. So voice is recording. But now you have the narration. You've got a good place to store your ideas. And then what you can do, you're going to copy that link, and then you'll just send that link to me, and I'll be able to review your video. So if you have any questions about this, by all means, the email address is successfromstress@gmail.net. All right, I'm Eric. I'm out. Peace.